2, 1.
Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. I want to introduce to you our new Galeon 435. These are actually made in Poland for us, but I will tell you the quality, the design, the engineering on these things are just awesome. So what you'll notice here is lots of natural lighting, the windows on the side, great hardtop that we've got here. In the front of the boat for entertaining, you've got your sun loungers right here. All of the components they use, the stainless steel, these things are just awesome. And it's just little things that I like on the port and starboard side, you can raise and lower these, so as the captain, when you're coming in, if you need to talk to your crew, just roll the window down. Very easy. Nice walk around all the way around the boat. Beautiful lines to it. This particular one does have your hydraulic swim platform. This is powered by Volvo diesel V drives. So come on aboard, we'll look at a couple other things. So in the back here, we've got our teak, which looks really nice, kind of a distressed look. Your aft bench here, if you want a little bit more room from the table, this slides in and out. Real good access to the engine compartment. Doors are huge, all stainless steel construction. Beautiful sunroof back here. This is all glass. So this is going to be a 2-stateroom, 2-head design. But the woodwork, the countertops, you know, the white suede, this thing's just gorgeous. Big sunroof right here. So a lot of people on the Expresses, you know, want an open feeling to it and a lot of natural lighting, and this does give that to you. Very comfortable here. Full galley over there. This particular one, this is going to be DTS right here, and you also have your bow thruster. Raymarine, of course you've got air conditioning, heat, generator, super comfortable. One thing I do like about the boat, when you're backing down, there's like 0 blind spots, so it's very easy to even run by yourself. So as we go down here, this is going to be your master up front with your V-berth, and of course we have the natural lighting right here as well. Beautiful woodwork. The fit and finish and quality of these things are just awesome. Plenty of storage all the way around. We do have our TV right here. Real nice carpentry. Turn to your left here. You have a fully enclosed head right here, as well as your shower, which most people really like that. The headroom's very good as well. If you're doing some entertaining, this is going to be, of course, your day head right here. As you can see, beautiful windows right there. This will be actually I take it back, this is the 3-stateroom. So this is your 2nd stateroom right here, and then you also have, well, call it an aft area here. So you can sleep 2, 4, 6 very comfortably. So the 435 has been a very popular boat, covers a lot of bases. This has been a very good seller for us at MarineMax, and this one's located here at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a ring. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.